How to prevent bias in continuous feedback tools. Imagine giving performance feedback that feels fair and balanced every time. That's what preventing bias in continuous feedback tools is all about. These tools are meant to help managers and employees have ongoing conversations about performance. But if bias sneaks in, it can skew results and hurt morale. So, how do organizations keep feedback fair and objective? Let's look at some proven ways. First, using structured feedback systems is key. This means setting clear criteria and standardized rating scales. Instead of vague comments, managers evaluate specific behaviors and outcomes. This reduces personal opinions influencing the feedback. Templates and consistent questions help everyone stay on the same page. Next, modern feedback platforms often include data and artificial intelligence. These tools analyze feedback language and performance data. They can spot patterns that suggest bias, like overly positive comments for certain groups. They also compare employee performance against objective standards or peer groups. This helps keep evaluations fact-based rather than feeling-based on gut feelings. Collecting feedback from multiple sources is another strong step. Instead of relying on one manager's opinion, gather input from colleagues, direct reports, and sometimes customers. This 360-degree approach creates a more balanced view and reduces the chance that personal biases influence the overall picture. Training managers and employees on giving unbiased feedback is also vital. Training should go beyond just recognizing bias. It should teach practical skills for giving constructive, fair comments. Role-playing exercises and real examples can help people practice unbiased feedback. Holding calibration meetings regularly is another effective method. Managers come together to discuss and align on performance ratings. This process ensures consistency across teams and reduces individual evaluator bias. It also encourages open dialogue about what good performance looks like. Encouraging a culture of ongoing feedback makes a difference too. Instead of waiting for annual reviews, employees and managers share feedback often and in real time. This reduces recency bias, where recent events are overemphasized, and provides a more accurate view of performance. Clear guidelines about how to give feedback help everyone understand expectations. Communicating what constructive feedback looks like and behaviors to avoid builds trust. When employees know the purpose of continuous feedback, they're more likely to participate honestly. Linking feedback to measurable goals is another smart move. When performance discussions are tied to specific, tracked objectives, feedback becomes more concrete. This makes evaluations less subjective and more about actual results. Finally, organizations should monitor feedback patterns using analytics dashboards. These tools can reveal biases related to gender, ethnicity, or roles. HR teams can then take targeted actions to address any unfair trends and improve fairness across the board. In the world of HR technology solutions, these features work together to promote transparency and fairness. They help organizations meet legal standards for fair employment practices and support managers in making well-founded decisions. Combining structured processes, technology, diverse input, training, and ongoing review creates a fairer, more balanced feedback system. This not only improves performance management but also builds a more inclusive workplace environment.